windy up here. New flashing versus the old flashing. Or valley flashing, I should say. Looking good. New flashing over there. There wasn't any.
Well, we're getting it. Got some more valley flashing on. And got part of this done. Fun part is cutting all the slate along the valley so it looks good and straight, unlike the way it was. It's slow going, but it's going. We're done for the day. Got most of this flashing on. Still need to redo all the slate on the side, but we need to go up that way, fix the hole. Carrie's doing her venting. Very good job making the slate straight up the valley. I measure, she cuts, and she's doing a fantastic job. Real slate going on to stay.
Making some progress. That's exciting.
This roofing is old enough, the decking, that it has a lot of give to it, so it's hard to get the nails punched all the way through. Sometimes I've got to put them in different spots.
This is why putting slate on is so time consuming. How's it going?
Well, I'm getting it. A lot of flashing and this and that and trying to fix it so we don't have to put tar down nowheres.
Anybody who puts the tar on has to scrape it off.
That's not a bad idea, because you've been scraping tar for a while.
Days.
And we still have lots of it. But it's all over the roof.
Yeah. So it looks good. Looks nice.
It looks better than it did.
Well, true.
And it looks alright.
So
I'm happy with it.
good.
Ish. No, I'm happy. I'm enjoying myself. And it's definitely the biggest slate job I've done so far. The most complicated, that's for sure.
That's true. With the flashing on that little wall and all that. So
trying to figure out how to get up underneath this crown molding. Then you got to step to that valley, and got to get this valley, and then it's got to meet at the top, and
Yeah. All right then. Very good.
Without you cutting though, it wouldn't be near as much. It'd take a long time.
Yeah. How we doing, Frank?
Oh, Carrie Lou. We are taking off more roof. We talked about it and we want to, that valley right there is new and we want to replace it the whole way up. So in order to do that, we had to take some of that off. And I mean, it's bad anyway, but it could have lasted a little while longer. It's always something.
Permanent fix.
Yeah, I mean, we won't have to revisit this site again. We're getting there. That all never needs replaced again. That does.
The other side of that dormer probably.
That does. But it is what it is. Right, Carrie Lou?
Right. Well, good morning, Frank.
Well, we must be getting closer to getting that side done because we're on the roof now. Got to figure out which one of these slates is good. Carrie's been cleaning up some of the tar like that. She'll be cleaning that off so it's usable.
Here's a somewhat of a bird's eye view. There's the new flashing we put in, and you can kind of see down there, it's in shadow, where he left off with the slate, about right there. And because we put in that new valley going all the way up, he had to take all that out. But gotta do what we gotta do. Got some brackets, so what are those called?
I don't remember.
Anyway, they make great shelves and seats so that he's not a little more comfortable for him. We've got the step flashing for the chimney all ready to go back on. It's just not bent. I'm up here cutting to make Frank's life a little bit easier. So, and he marks them, I cut them over there on the cutter, and then I clean them right there. So, yeah, lots going on. All right. All right. We are getting there. You can see we're coming up this side of the chimney, and we're getting most of the tar off.
And we're not using extra tar.
No.
We're not using any tar.
No tar, no silicone. That's a bear to get off these things too. But see, you can see all that stuff going down and whatever that white stuff is. And yeah, bird poop's not that easy to get off either, but we're making it. Now we're going to shift gears and weatherproof it. Rain's coming in for tomorrow, so all right. Frank is finishing up making that area weather tight. We've got thunderstorms coming in tomorrow, this evening. So
alright, it looks like we get to put slate back on the wall now. I've never slated a wall before, but that's what was on that. So we're gonna reslate this all and make it weather tight so it won't leak. Alrighty, one dormer side reslated. Looks like they did all the antique slate and stuff. It looks like they did it years ago. And it will not leak. And there's no tar. Not a drop. It takes a little while, but it works. Alrighty, this is what it's gonna look like for a little while. Cleaned up the valley a little bit. Now I gotta go up there and work. There's my walk boards. This is gonna stay like this for a little while until we figure out what we're gonna do with that slate there, up here. And cleaned out some of the box gutter, but it leaks pretty bad. We'll figure out what to do with the box gutter one of these days. As a point of reference, I thought I would show everybody what the other side of the same dormer looks like. This is how it was fixed before. That's just 3 inches. I mean, that's that thick of tar and silicone. And then the way they flashed this was they just put a whole bunch of tar and silicone. That's not how I'm gonna do this side once I get to it. They use a lot of tar. Buckets of it. Obviously I haven't got to this side yet. There's always tomorrow. It's a rare shot of the groundskeeper mowing and mowing. She's keeping this place nice. Back up on the roof. Getting ready to go back down here. Start ripping up some of the stuff and relaying some slate. Got my safety harness on. Groundskeeper's working hard. Somebody's got to do it. Got everything staged. Wish me luck.
Working in a nice light breeze is always nice and refreshing. But this is a wind, and this has just been miserable.
Howling!
Yeah, blowing dust and dirt and yuck in your face, chasing your hat. Ugh. I was mowing most of the day and it just blowing all the debris from the mower back on me. So we don't mind breezes, but wind, it makes it difficult. But Frank is a 10.
You're a 10.
All right. We got a lot accomplished today. It's looking really good. Nice and straight. All right. We have more rain coming in tomorrow, so awesome job.
Did you girls find a cicada? Did you find a cicada? My big girls? Mia? Minnie, what do you think? They're not quite sure what to do with it.